guys, welcome. Hello. Welcome back to my channel. My name is MVC Adam. So today I'll be filming my hair process, guys. I'm having my Christmas hair done today. Presently taking out my former braids. I had plaits, all back plaits done, still by Christy. I had it in by for about 2 weeks roughly. And yeah, so this is the first time actually I'm having this sort of hair done, the faux locks. I'll be using the expression Reggae Max. I've got one pack, but apparently my head is big and I have full hair as well. It might not be enough. It was 2.5. I got it from Taco Market the other day. So yeah, 2.5. I'll be putting the conversion somewhere, how much it is in pounds. I know that's not a lot, but yeah. So yeah, Christy actually suggested that I have it in the full length. Can you imagine? I usually do long braids, long whatever, but I think that'll be too much because I'll be meeting family, friends over the Christmas. But let's see how it goes. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. So yeah, this is Christy. Christy, say hello.
Hello.
So yeah, she's doing my hair for me. She's been doing my hair for quite some time. Anytime I come back to Nigeria and whatnot, she's really good. And yeah, so hopefully some of you will be calling her for your hair after watching this video. What was I on about? Obviously on about my hair and whatnot. So yeah, using the big toothed comb to sort out my hair, comb it gently to avoid shedding. So we're done with the second stage of the hair, of the thingy, of the locks or whatever. So she's done this braids all over. Maybe I'll carry it like this. Nah, that's not the plan. But yeah, so I'm about to add this to it. So let's get started. Yeah, it's about past 1 at the moment, but yeah, hopefully it gets done before like by 7 because I have to go out to the movies tonight. Yeah, enjoy. Don't judge, I was so tired. She started sewing it on. It took quite a bit of time, to be honest. I'm awake here. I'm awake. And so I'm touching my hair and whatnot, checking it out to make sure that it makes sense, it's not too bulky. Shout out to my brother. I had to literally drag him. He was trying to make a video for his own channel. So Christy has started sewing it on. I called him to make or give a closer look. As you can see, she folded the hair within the locks and folded the locks over the braided hair. And I tried to slow it down a bit. Hopefully you can get it, what exactly is going on. So she sewed it in, so she's hiding my hair inside the locks, if you get what I mean. Yeah, so you know how you have turkey sandwich and you're trying to hide the turkey slices between the bread? So she folded my hair so that it's thick down the roots, then it was sewn. The hair took 2 days to make. This is literally day 2. I've changed my clothes, I've gone home, I've come back again, and I'm like, we almost done, fam. But yeah, this is the front. So like I said, she's folding in the braided hair into the locks and sewing it, making sure that everything is hidden away and tight and in place. At this point, we were both tired, so I think she started piling the braided hair way too much into the locks, so it started standing like threaded hair. You know how you thread the hair? So I had to tell that, okay, it's time to reduce it. Girl, you better work. when I went to the movies, it was really cold, so I actually did use it as a muffler. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Shout out to Christy and my brother. Thank you guys for watching.